Hello and welcome to Unit 2. There are a few things I want to point out as we begin this unit. Up to now we've been at the airport, but this time we're going to be in a number of locations. The information is on the task button. It tells you where to go. Task 1, the avatar shop. Task 2, 3 and 4, the restaurant, the music store, and the library. Each task is explained by clicking on the task details, but I think we can just head to the shop and to do the first assignment. So we go to the locations, we get the list of the different places. We also have a map, which is also useful. We need to go to the shopping center, which is the central arcade here. So we'll click here, the central arcade, and go straight. You can also walk around and get to see the different places. Anyway, let's go in. And in this unit, we need to do assignment, the sixth task. The first one, you click on the assistant and the task begins. But in this shop, there are many things that you can buy. Now have a look here, you've got money. I've only got 15. You should have 250 havens. And you can all buy a complete outfit. These are the women's, these are the men's, for 200 havens. Or you can go to here and purchase individual items that you might want and choose the color, whatever you want to buy. You can always come back here in other units as well. And this is a fun machine here where you see all different types of hats. And let's come up towards the machine so you can see. And go on the side so you can see. So we've got a hat here. If you want the Mexican hat, or you can go to the next hat, a clown's hat. You want to buy it, click on buy, confirm I want to buy it. Yes, oops, what happened? I don't have enough money. Now if this happens, you don't have enough money, you can get some more money. And how do you get money? You go to the ATM machine. So let's go to the ATM machine. Here is Idan Golan. He's Jeremy, in fact, who made this amazing world. And by clicking on this machine, you have different games to play, which are all practicing different vocabulary items. The next place you need to go is the restaurant, which is across the way. But if I didn't know it's across the way, it's easy to go here. I just go to the location button above. Click on the location, choose the restaurant, and it just takes me to the restaurant. There are 3 assignments to do in the restaurant. And as we've seen before, there's an exercise with a robot, an exercise with other students, and an exercise with the teacher. The next place we need to go, the next task, is called the Song of the Week. So we go to the music store. So we go to locations, music store. Now we are on Unit 2, so you need to do the songs for Unit 2. There are songs from Unit 1 if you like singing and would like to see these other songs. So I go to Unit 1 so I don't spoil the fun. You click and you get earphones and you get to see the song. It's a Judy Garland song. You click here to watch the video and a word appears above. Now you have to think, I'll wish upon a star, and decide where it goes. So if you think it goes here, let me listen to, I don't know if you can hear her the same. You can hear the song. And you decide land that I heard of once in a lullaby. So you have this to do with different songs. If you are interested as well, there's a little button on the side here when you can actually zoom in and read about the song if you're interested. And now we're going to head straight for the last assignments, which take place in the library. Now, the library is a fun place. It's a place where there are always things to do and always people to meet here. You'll notice as you come in on the side that there are today's newspapers, and it's always today's newspapers and magazines to read, and there are also books to read as well, and the weekly crossword puzzle. Now there are practice exercises here on the big boards opposite, and you click here to practice phrasal verbs as well as expressions for the week or proverbs. And when you're ready and you've learnt all these well, you get points, by the way, money. You come to one of these computers and take the test, take the quiz. Make sure you practice a lot beforehand. And then we have a nice exercise to do with one other person or a group against a group. It's a game you might be familiar with called Blockbusters. And you sit on the blue or the yellow side, and you have to make a line going from top to bottom or side to side, and the instructions appear. Each one gets to choose a square, this shape, and answer a question. If you get it correct, it turns to your color. If not, it moves to the other side. So there's a lot to do in Unit 2, but the important thing is to keep speaking and practicing, and enjoy the week. Bye to you all.